everyone, this is a different video than before. So apparently I bought this pack of origami paper, and at the back there's this tiny diagram on how to make a seahorse. So I guess I'm going to try to attempt to do that today. Okay, so I have this piece of paper here. I will attempt to read this. I can't read it at all. From the diagram, it looks as if I'm supposed to start like this and fold it over like this. Okay, so next step, I think this is about halfway, and then I'm supposed to fold it like this. I have no idea what I'm doing. So now they have this boat shape. Maybe the point is supposed to be like a little further down like this, so it looks like a boat. And then it says something like fold this inward like that. Whatever it says, I guess. Okay, so next step, press it down, I guess, like this way. Wait a minute. Okay, so they start at around the middle part, and then they press it down like this. No. That's not the middle. Here's the middle. Okay. I think I got it. I don't know what I'm doing. It looks more like a crab than a seahorse. Maybe it's also because of the color I chose. Do I flip it over? Am I doing this right? Does this look like a seahorse? Hey, it's a seahorse. It's a seahorse? I do not think this is what a seahorse looks like. I'm a crab. Rawr. I attempted it. So yeah, pretty short video, and see ya!